Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to share social media content with Predis AI. And right now, this Predis AI basically a co-pilot where you can create single images, single posts throughout your calendar year. Now with this one, it's gonna be a very awesome tool, especially for social media managers, every freelancers out there, that this tool is for you. Now it's also partnered with the most famous platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Shopify, and the works. Now with this one, we can try for free. Simply click on generate your first post right there or try for free. But before we get started, I want to check on the pricing. So let me just click there right there and I'll see you once inside. Now welcome back to the video. Right now these are the prices for monthly. If I change this one to annually, you're gonna save 17%. Take note about that one. Now since you have the pricings right here, these are the detailed comparison. Sorry about that. So here they are. The detailed comparison is going to be for the free one, you have one brand. For the premium, you have 4 brands. For the agency, of course, you have unlimited brands. That being said, just sign in using your dummy Google account, and I'll see you once inside the main Predis AI. Now welcome back to the video. Right now, I have generated a few samples here, specifically for plant parenting indoor gardening tips. So basically, I just type in a simple prompt wherein 3 tips for indoor gardening. I have a few here, I think I have 6. So with this one, we have some image, we have some video, I think we also have some carousel here. Now what are the things you can try here? Before we get into those, you can also integrate your brand socials here. For example, if you have Shopify, Squarespace, or WooCommerce, you can also do them here. For social platforms, you can integrate from Instagram up to YouTube. For brand details, you can choose your specific brand name here, brand hashtag, and the works. You can also have the competitor analysis here, which is basically for me, it's a very strong feature. So you can know which is which, and basically that's it. For the idea lab, if you don't have anything, for example, you don't have any ideas to start with, I think this is a good AI. For example, type in here 3 tips for gardening. Simply click on answer, and then Predis AI will give you some ideas to work with. So these are the prompts to create a post using this. As you can see, with one click of a button, you can create a post using this content. So you don't have to search for keywords, some ideas. Simply talk to Predis AI and it will give you some results. Now, of course, the best friend of all social media managers is the calendar or the content calendar. You can check by day, by week, or basically by month. And personally for me, upon experience, by month is much more aggressive here, much more aggressive in approach and organization of the content scheduling. So for example, if you set your time zone first, so to set your time zone, as you can see, you cannot really check or add something here unless you set your time zone. So you need first to set your time zone to proceed on the calendar itself. Now since we're seeing this error, we need to set our time zone. You cannot really look for settings here, so you go to brand and social accounts. Under it, you're gonna see this one, select time zone. So select a specific time zone you're going to work with. So I think I'm going to look for a time zone. I think it's going to be EST. Give me a second here. I think I'm going to go with -5. Around here somewhere. Give me a second. Perfectly right there. And we're going to go with this one for the sake of discussion. And go back in calendar right there. Now after setting up your time zone, let's go back on content calendar. Go for monthly. Now let's try linking or uploading a social media content here. So let me just look for TikTok right there. Click on schedule, make sure this is the schedule we're looking for. We can schedule specifically for date also and time. Click on schedule. By the way, the captions right there, you can change it if you want. But for now, we have successfully scheduled something here. Now, you can change this one. For example, you want to move it to 5. You want to move it around 14. It will be your choosing. And basically, that is the main idea of Predis AI. Create a content, schedule it, and you'll be good to go. And this content will be posted on TikTok, easy as that. Now for example, let's create some different contents here. Now if you click on create new, by the way, you have your brand here, you can add your new brand. So if I click on create new here, I'm gonna have, I think, 6 choices here, from text to post, e-commerce products, blog to post, script to post, and the works. From text to post, this is the first one earlier. As you can see right here, 3 tips to grow indoor plants. I can choose AI pic for my format, or I can upload a specific image to work with. If it's going to be a video, image, or carousel. And by the way, go with the post design here, it can be listicle, illustration, and the works. For number of posts here, I always go for 1. so it won't take so much long to create my design. Media poses are right here, you can choose your media or let AI choose for you. For more settings, it's gonna be here for caption length. For brand palette, I'm gonna use it as it is. For input and output language, it's gonna be here. Now if you click on generate right now, you're gonna see this right here. Basically that's it for text to pose. Now if I click on create new for e-commerce products now these are sample e-commerce products. So as you can see, if I choose one right here, I'm gonna go with this one. Click on generate. Again, it will be a sorry about that, an image because I don't really like video. But you can also choose video if you want, so please check this one if you're really looking for video. Or a carousel. I think I'm gonna go for carousel with this. More settings. I think this is gonna be a short one for me. And I think I'm good here. Click generate right there. And now I'm generating an e-commerce to a pose. And basically that's it. I did not really spend so much time thinking how it works there. And it will now have it right there. Of course, if I go now on my content library, go for monthly. If I schedule on 15, schedule that one right there. Of course, I can go for TikTok. And now enter a caption here for sample carousel. I can have a Twitch, do it, or comments. I can adjust the privacy settings for public and click on schedule. Now this is now going to be scheduled and be posted to my TikTok on August 15, exactly 12 AM. That is the power of Predis AI. Now the question here, can you schedule multiple platforms, or for example multiple content in one day? Let's try this one out. I'm gonna drag this post, place it right here, and there we have it. We have actually two content here scheduled in one day. Easy as that. Let's try some more here. So we are done with e-commerce. How about blog to post? The idea here is basically the same. So we have blog link to post or content to post here. So with this one, I'm just gonna type in 3 tips for gardening, indoors and outdoors, something like that. As you can see, it's still not making it work because this should be around 50 and 150. So let me just type something here and I'll get back to you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. I have typed in a very simple post here for our blog, and I think let me just correct something here. Perfect. Now this is gonna be a video, long voiceover or what? I think I'm gonna go for long. I think I'm satisfied with this. Make it short, and basically with this one I can now proceed. Now this is gonna be a blog to post. I'll get back to you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. Right now this is gonna be our blog post. Take note, we have our caption right there. You can publish, download, and basically you can save as template, tag, or apply it, or of course duplicate. Let's start looking for it, or basically listening to it. Pretty awesome, right? By the way guys, if you're not satisfied with that one, of course you can edit there with this button right there. Now to edit this one, you can upload any background you're choosing. For example, this one right here. Rather than the lady in a garden, you can upload this one. However, I think the lady in a garden is actually a good one since this is about plants and oxygen. Also, you can upload your text there. It's just like Canva. Think of it as Canva. You have your media right there, perfectly right here. By the way guys, you can also change the captions. Some suggestions are right here. Anyway, with that being said, if you're satisfied with this one, you can now export this one as a video or share it. Basically that's it. Now let's try some more here since we're already done with blog to post. How about script to post right there? For this one, this is gonna be a script to post. You can write manually. For example, for the title, I'm gonna type in plants are important. However, as you can see right there, if I remove one letter there, there's a warning that this should be around 3 words to 20 characters. Now I'm gonna fill in the following here and I'll see you once I'm done. Now with this, I think I'm done with this sample here. Again, video, I'm gonna go for long. For settings, I'm gonna go for short. And basically click on generate right now. And I'll see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. Now this is gonna be our output. Again guys, if you want to download, simply click on this button and edit. Now let's try some more here. So how about let's just go for business post here. So type in your business, yourself, or basically what you sell, your general audience, or your customer, and benefits you get. change the design here, if you notice, all the settings here are basically the same. If you click on generate, this is how it should look like for business or promotional posts. Easy as that. So again, it's basically as easy as 1, 2, 3. Entering a post or prompt and simply click on generate. Same drill guys, if you click on meme post here, it's just gonna ask you for a specific sentence or a phrase, and then go to content library, and basically it's gonna give you an image, and basically that's it. With this one, I type in me struggling to finish a workload. This is what it gave me. Pretty funny, right? Now speaking of special day, if you click on special day post, for example Labor Day, for example right there, if you click on generate, it would look like this. Labor Day post, something like that. Now there are specific posts here also if you want to go for quotes to post and manual posts. For quotes are basically choosing a category, choosing a quote. This is how it should look like. Easy as that. Now speaking of the last one, manual posts, it's just like any uploading any photos. For me, I'm gonna upload this dog right there. I'm gonna type in dog on a beach. Simply click on proceed. And with that being said, it will now be uploaded on my content library. Easy as that. But this is a funny dog because I created a different one earlier. Anyway, again, if you want to download, edit with this one. If you want to add some more finesse, you can do so. Again with this one, if I click on media design here, I can change it whatever I see fit. Basically that's it. This is a very powerful tool for social media managers, so please check them out. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.